Thought I felt one. Heck yeah, y'all, nice one. Look at the spots on this guy. That's so cool. Well, yeah, I'm just a happy guy right now, let me tell you. Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse, Southern Reels Fishing, back out for another day of fun and relaxation on the water. And I'm actually out solo today, which is something I like to do every now and then. It just really gives me a chance to just do whatever I want and explore and not have to worry about guests and such. So I'm going to start off fishing some flats and stuff, as you see this morning. Throwing some top water, see if I can catch anything like that. And you know, it's the season's kind of starting to progress a little bit. Things are moving around, so this will give me a good chance to see what's still in these local rivers and stuff, kind of figure out maybe some patterns for future use. Nice hot day today, 80 degrees. Hopefully we'll catch something. So I don't know, wish me luck. Let's see what we can do. All right, like I said, folks, I'm gonna start off throwing top water first. I don't do this very often. I just want to see if I can actually catch something with this. Using a little Zero Spook Junior here, pretty much the only one in that size that I have. So I'm hoping that's a good color combination. Just kind of work these edges back up into this nice big flat here. See if there's anything hanging around. It's high tide this morning, so it's a good chance to get back up into these flats. Hopefully catch some fish that are pushed back up in them, feeding and such. All right, folks, spot number 47 for today. Caught one bluefish all day. How about you don't learn something unless you try something new. Alright, so I'm in another spot here. Probably ain't gonna be able to hide all that well, but I'm on a flat. There's definitely fish out here swimming around. I changed lures, put a little Procure on it and threw it in and immediately got a hit. Finally a decent fish. Good Lord, I worked for it today. A nice little drum. So what we got out of this guy, this is a nice sized little puppy. Yeah, 20 inches. That's a good size one there. Alright folks, that was a nice little change of pace. I have fished all over this river today. And you know, it could be something as simple as just a tide change. Or even finally putting on some Procure. I've used this lure all morning in every place I've fished. I haven't had a single hit on anything other than small taps, I think, which were like white perch. But got to this spot, tossed a mirror lure for a little while, didn't get anything. Grabbed this. I was like, well shoot, let me try some Procure on it. Put it on it. Immediately hooked up. There we go. Out of the power poles. Crap. Oh gosh. Boy, I missed my leverage net. Yeah, that was actually a little bigger than the last one. Finally, some action, y'all. Alright, dude, freak out on me. This one is 20 and a half. Heck yeah, y'all, nice one. Look at the spots on this guy. That's so cool. I'll stick him in here for the moment. There we go. That's a good hit. But you could, man. These CWGs are getting these guys good. I don't think this one's a keeper. Nope, 17 3/4. Nice fish though. Well, folks, today is a good case of just being patient and not getting beat up over a slow bite. As I tell you, this morning it was not good, at least not for me. And I tried all my regular tactics and nothing was working. Stopped, took a break, ate some lunch, waited for a tide change. Now I'm finally catching some fish. I don't know. It's when I go out, I usually make it a day anyway. That's just how I fish. I'm definitely not one of those guys to be like, oh, I was out on the water 3 hours, caught a limit, was home by 10. Yeah, nah, that don't work for me. I don't rush fishing. Now I rush to get to fishing, but when I'm fishing, I have all the patience in the world. Yep, yeah, thought I felt one. Tell you what, there's something right there that is holding these guys. That's 17. It seemed like a real slow retrieve with just a little bump. Just reel the slack out, just twitch it. That's all I'm doing, just keeping it on the bottom. Out of everything I tried today, this seems to be working the best. I'm running the weedless rig just to keep from getting snagged so much. Yep, there we go. Thought I had one messing with it. Nice, he's actually staying down a little bit. Yeah, that's a nice one. Felt bigger. Might be my last keeper. You know, folks, I actually prefer catching drum over trout. You might think I'm crazy. I mean, trout's fun, don't get me wrong, but I much prefer eating drum. I think they are way better than trout. My personal opinion. Yeah, that's definitely a keeper. He is 19 and a half. Oh yeah, there's my last keeper. That's a good meal. Nice, beautiful reds in there. Well, yeah, I'm just a happy guy right now, let me tell you. The bite has been phenomenal since I got here. Just using this same setup, Berkley Power Pro swim bait. Honestly, any swim bait. It's got that nice action, works well, I've found. Weighted EWG hook and just a very slow retrieve, twitching it along the bottom. Caught my limit of reds and then some. Caught 7 since I've been here, about 30 minutes. God, just had another hit right then too. See? They love these things. Well, and of course, Procure. I'm sure that's helping. Nice fish. Another nice red. Thank you, man. All right, y'all. Last few casts of the day. I'm going to be calling it because it's been almost 12 hours, and that's usually what I shoot for when I go out. I make full use of my time. I've actually fished this spot before a few times. I'm just curious to see if there's anything here. Yep, there we go. Yep, last spot paid off. We got another red. Probably so. Yep, another nice red. Alright, easy buddy, easy. I got you hooked good, you ain't going nowhere. Unless you break my line. Yep. Oh, beautiful red. Heck yeah. He's 18, but I already got 3. Thank you, man. Crap. I mean to throw them in like that. Some spunky little dudes this time of year. Alright, hey folks, it was a heck of a day out here on the water. It didn't go quite as I had planned this morning. Actually, the first half of the day was kind of a bust, but it really turned on, you know, with that incoming tide change, and I had a whole lot of fun after that. Checked out some new spots, learned a lot, which was my goal. So now I'm going to get back to the ramp, get loaded up, call it a day. Thanks for watching. Peace out.